often go to Hwacheongbei and other electronic markets, and they have some, usually they have some very interesting stuff. We don't know who invented it, and probably we just copied it and shanzaied it, their counterfeits. So I can just point my camera at the products because probably the security guy will stop me. They don't know if I'm a lawyer or a detective. They are suspicious. So I want to make something to prevent this from happening, and I will show you the process. So watch and see what I'm going to do. So this is my radius gauge, and this is the digital caliper. And I'm going to get the measurement so I can get the model and print out the case I want. So So this is my first outer case for this is the first measurement I got. So let's take a look. If it's good, and the next step is I'm going to measure the buttons on the side. And I want to know the distance between these two so that I can deduct it and get the right number. And also the back of the camera, I need to measure. So you can see there are still some gap between the camera and the case. So I have to deduct it and get the right number. So it's about 2 millimeters from the side. I have to deduct, and also here in the top there's a gap. this is good. This looks good. I think this is it. And now I'm going to print the top of it. On the side, it's pretty good. Oh shit! I think I accidentally moved it to the side. So I have to fix it. So this time I print the whole thing, but I took out the back of it because I don't want to waste any material. As I've shown you before, I print out just half of it because I just need to get the rubber shape so that I know it's right, and it takes a lot of time to print out the case, and if I only print half of it, then it will save me time and I will still get the right number. So the idea I was talking about, I'm going to show you right now. Just wait a sec. So this is my idea, and I'm going to move this case first. So you can see there is a triangle slot here. It is for my prism. So when I put the prism in, you can get some sneaky picture of other people. Like if someone is stalking you and they're taking pictures of you and you're too shy to, say something, or you feel disturbed, you can pretend you're not looking at them, but you still take pictures of them, like at this angle. It can show you, you don't have to point your camera directly to them, but you can still take the sneaky picture. I think it's pretty good because sometimes, when you go outside alone, it's not safe. So that's my idea. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. For my project, you'll need something called prism. And I bought these glasses on Taobao, and this is for watching videos and reading books on the bed. They have two on each side, and I think they all come in with the same sizes, like the other ones I bought online. But you can just buy this one online and take it out, and then each one you can put in the different cases. Like probably I will print more cases later, different color, and then you can put one on each case. But the one I'm using is the other one I bought separately online. This comes with each one comes separately without the glasses.